What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing something very basic, actually. Very, very basic, but still very refreshing, good for the summertime. It's called the gin fizz. All right, so let's just get into it. First thing we're gonna need, 60 mils of a gin, 30 mils lemon, 20 mils simple syrup. We're gonna put some egg white in there, and then we're gonna give that a shake. Then we'll give it a dry shake. We'll pick out our fizz glass, like a Collins glass, pour it in there, and then we're gonna top it up with soda. And that is all it is, guys. You may look at this and be like, well, that's just a gin sour with soda. It is. That is literally all it is, okay? It's a gin sour with soda, or it is a Tom Collins with egg white. A lot of these drinks end up just blending together with one extra ingredient, honestly. Anyways, the fizz is a category, like a cocktail category of its own. Okay, so like this is the most bare bones basic of a gin fizz that you can find, but it's a great template to play with. Like, I am so serious about the great template. Like, you can change out your citrus, you can put in different flavors, swap out the spirit, put some Maro in there if you want to. Like, you can find whatever flavor you want and make a gin fizz out of it. Even a whiskey fizz if you want it, right? Whiskey, rum, doesn't matter. You can make a fizz out of it. The gin fizz goes back to the late 1800s. It was first printed in 1876 in Jerry Thomas's Bartender's Guide. It is a gin sour with a little bit of soda. What the soda does is makes it fizzy, huh? It actually makes it quite refreshing though. It lengthens it a little bit. I think typically, like, I'd probably go with a longer glass next time. I didn't get to get as much soda in as I wanted to, but it is still good. It makes it really nice and refreshing, especially the lemon with the bubbles in there. It's great for the heat that we're coming through in this summer. Definitely recommend giving this a try. Okay, very simple. But that is all that I have for you today, guys. Quite simple, quite easy, gin fizz. All right. If you like what I do on this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have more coming out every single week. If you have cocktails you think I should do or spirits I should use, let me know in the comments. I'll try and work them in, all right? But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.